Want more plumbing jobs from Google without spending more on ads? Here are 4 tips every plumber should follow. First, ask customers for reviews. They build trust and improve your local rankings. Second, upload new photos of your completed jobs every week. Third, keep your business information accurate and up to date. And fourth, post regular updates to show Google and potential customers that you are active. A strong profile gets you found, while consistent social content builds trust before they call. Brandzilla makes it easy, creating professional posts that keep you active and support your local ranking with fresh content. Become a brand. Try free.